Hey, Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com. We have toys. We have lots of toys. More toys and more toys. One of the greatest lines that I have is called SmartLabs, and they have crazy drinks. This is one of their crazy drinks science lab. 20 wild and wacky drinkable experiments, okay? This is just one. Then we have this one right here, which is actually smart circuits. I used to have one of these when I was a kid in the 80s where you build all these different science kits. SmartLabs, I can't even get out what I want to say. SmartLabs have so many cool kits. Over here we have this one for girls. Where is it? How about this one? Totally squishy, head to toe. Basically, you create an entire human. You can pull out their intestines. Where's the one for girls? We have this one that's really cool for girls. Where is it? Create secret labs. Look at that, secret labs, and they're all smart labs. So if you want to get your kits, where is the one for the girls? Oh, there it is.
Lord, it's a miracle.
Okay, so this one is really cool. This is secret, girls only, secret message lab. I mean, this is something, you know. I love you. Oh, I love you. Woohoo! And that is SmartLab. SmartLabs makes the best science fun kits for kids at ProTinkerToys.com.